Today on What to Do, we are replacing a turn signal light on a Trac trailer. This is from Franklin Trailer, and these lights, it's hard to see where, how to take them off because you don't see any nuts or bolts and you don't see any wires on the inside. They're kind of recessed in there. But let me show you what it looks like. So we're down here, and you can see there's no signs of bolts or anything anywhere. And if you look on the back, it's just bare metal. So some people may be wondering, how the heck do I get this out? And you'll start pulling on this grommet and everything, but actually in reality, if you just buy the new light like we have here, you can see I got a new one, and it does come with a new grommet too, but we don't need that. What we need is actually the light itself, and it has the plug on the back. So to get this out, it's real simple. You just want to take a screwdriver and you want to pry a little bit, like so. A little hard with one hand, I apologize, but it is working its way out there. Here it comes. Alright, and as you can see, there it is, comes right out. Now you can disconnect your wire here, put your new light in, and just kind of push it right back in there. And that's it. Hopefully this tip helped. If it did, please hit subscribe below, give me a like, and I'll see you next time.